Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a journalist, a musician, a student, or just someone who loves capturing ideas on the go, having a reliable voice recorder is a game changer. Today we're counting down the top 5 best voice recorders on the market right now. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Sony ICD UX470 digital voice recorder. This compact voice recorder from Sony features automatic file organization and a handy selection of onboard controls. The design makes it the best voice recorder for interviews. Key among its front panel buttons are 2 playback navigation buttons. One fast forwards 10 seconds and the other rewinds 3 seconds. This functionality, combined with the unit's automatic file labeling system, allows users to review recordings quickly and efficiently, making this a good tool for transcribing interviews and other spoken word recordings. Other standout features of this design include a headphone jack for playback and a 55-hour battery life. Unfortunately, you'll need to keep a set of AAA batteries around since the recorder doesn't have an internal one. We suggest rechargeable batteries. The external microphone input appeals to users who want more control over their recordings. When using the unit's onboard stereo microphones, users can toggle between normal stereo, wide field, and focused recording modes. At number 4, we have the Philips DPM 8000 Pocket Memo Voice Recorder. The DMP 8000 Pocket Memo Voice Recorder offers easy one-handed operation and is designed primarily for basic voice recording, dictation, and recording meetings or lectures. One microphone can be used for close-range voice dictation, while the 3D microphone will pick up sounds from all around a room. This slider on the side makes one-handed operation simple. The integrated motion sensor determines if the device is being held or placed on a desk, for example, and auto-switches between the mics as needed. Business professionals will appreciate the device's 256-bit audio file encryption capabilities. The full-color display showcases useful information during the recording and playback process, while the onboard controls are intuitive and easily accessible. Coming in at number 3 is the Tascam Portacapture X8. Ideal for musicians, singers, podcasters, and field recording, the Portacapture X8 is an 8-track stereo recording studio that fits in one hand. It includes 4 mic/line-in inputs with individual phantom power to accommodate external microphones or instruments. The included detachable mics can also be used when recording. Thanks to its 32-bit floating-point recording capabilities, you don't need to set input levels before recording. Multiple tracks can be recorded simultaneously or separately, and each can use a different file format if necessary. Integrated recording tools include a low-cut filter, compressor, limiter, auto gain control, reverb, noise gate, and a normalized feature. In addition to being used on its own as an audio recording tool, the Portacapture X8 can connect directly to a video camera to capture higher quality audio while filming video. The wired headphones and built-in speaker allow audio monitoring during the recording process. At number 2, we have the Olympus WS882. For basic dictation or for recording meetings and lectures, the WS882 offers the core functionality needed to capture mono or stereo audio at a relatively low price. The recorder has 7 user-selectable scene modes to capture clearer recordings in specific situations, including dictation, meetings, conferences, or phone recordings. You also get a calendar search feature, automatic normalization during recording, an auto-index mode, a built-in stand, and a voice changer feature that can be used when playing back audio. With a built-in USB Type-A connector, the Olympus WS882 can be plugged directly into any computer's USB port to transfer audio files without requiring a cable. The controls and user interface are intuitive. We really like the Simple mode, which only displays key information on the recorder's display during recording and playback. And finally, the number 1 pick is the Sony PCM D10 high-resolution digital audio recorder. Whether you need it for voice dictation recorded in crystal clear mono, want to capture every word of a multi-person meeting in stereo, or need to record pro-level audio during an interview or music session, the Sony PCM-D10 can do it all. The device itself has two three-way adjustable stereo microphones built in, but using the pair of XLR TRS jacks on the bottom of the handheld recorder, it's easy to plug in any professional quality microphone to record high-res audio at up to 192 kHz 24-bit. This recorder allows you to record up to 199 separate audio files using the device's internal storage, or up to 5,000 files sorted into custom folders when using a micro SD card. Audio files can be transferred between the recorder and a computer or mobile device via USB cable or wirelessly through your Wi-Fi network. The PCM-D10 gives you a lot of customizable recording options and full control over your recordings. There are a bunch of small buttons and controls built into the recorder on the front and sides. For some users, there may be a learning curve to take full advantage of its pro-level functions and the more advanced recording tasks. Integrated features like a dual-path limiter and the ability to monitor full bandwidth stereo levels on the display while recording are available to prevent distortion and ensure clear recordings. So there you have it, the top 5 best voice recorders. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.